Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we made another unboxing video on this fisheye camera, Hikvision. I'm gonna give you the model number first. This is DS-2CD2955 Freddy Whiskey Delta India Sugar. So as for sugar, it has a sound, so that's what it means. 1.0 mil lens. It has this 5 megapixel IP camera. I'm gonna open that now. So with the box, I can see it's not a massive camera, so it's quite a mini size. That's your drill template manual in the box, and then the camera itself. That's the camera. That's the camera, and that's for your SD card slot and the reset button. And the camera has PoE network port, then 12 volt jack in case you want to power the camera externally. Then we have here alarm ports, and then we also have audio port, and then we got another RS485 port as well. So that was your connection on the camera, behind the camera. The size roughly around you can see around 11 centimeter diameter, or you can say around 4.25 inches roughly, and the height is around, I can say, around 4 centimeters give and take. That is around 1 inch and a half on the depth, basically, as you can see. And so not very compact camera. And then that was your connection at the back of the camera. I already told you about the SD card slot and the reset button. So that's your reset button there, and SD card slot. And now I'm gonna show you what else we have in the box. So your rod plugs and some screws, and then I think we also have a, so that was the mounting bracket for the camera as I showed you before. So let's say you're installing that on a wall. So if you're installing in the wall, that means that the cable will go like this, but keep in mind that you got three hooks at the back, or you can call it mounting teeth. So I'm gonna show you now from the back so it's more clear. That is the location, and for the three of those hooks, you press that, and then you can see it's locked, so it goes in that position. So when you want to unlock it, you just press the camera up and slide it to your left side, and the camera can then come down. Right now you can see that this way the cable has will be done, and that's your wall. So wall and the bracket, and you can see the camera and the cable. The final position once installed is the arrow pointing to the lock, and then when you want to unlock it, you just press the camera up and then slide it to your left, and it will open. So for example, now I press it and then move the camera to left, and it opens. And now another option which you can do if you are installing the camera in the ceiling. I think this is how they have designed it, but you can obviously analyze that in your own way. So I have basically send all the connectors off through the bracket, and you can see. And now just when you're here, you can see that, and then you press that way. Now it's locked. And if you want to unlock the camera from the bracket, press the camera towards top, towards the ceiling, and then shift that to your left side, and the camera will come off from your bracket. basically. And to install the bracket onto the ceiling or the wall, you can obviously one screw here, and you can use this as well maybe. Mounting template is there. Use the mounting template to analyze and to drill your holes. And that's it really, and thanks for watching. So now I'm gonna plug this camera straight to the NVR, so you can have the live view from this camera, fisheye camera. And as I said before, it's 180 degrees, so it's a wide angle, quite a wide angle view. Let's plug it into the NVR and then we take it from there. Now I'm connecting the camera to the patch lead, and the patch lead is connected to the back of the NVR. So NVR straight the patch lead to the camera. Camera is turned on. You could see the lights. You saw the lights. Okay, so this is as you can see, the camera is on, and we have connected directly to the NVR, and that's the live view, and the camera is just there. And that is the view we get from this camera. You can see quite wide angle, cover most all the sides all around, and a great camera to have on the site. Thanks for watching.